Hi y'all, it's me, Darla, and coming to y'all with another supply haul. This time from L&M, I think it's what they call it, right? L&M Wholesale and Manufacturing. They do have a part that's not wholesale too, so if you don't have a wholesale tax certificate thing or whatever they need, you can order from them still. You just get the regular pricing, which is still better than trying to buy the stuff from your big retailers usually. And I think it's a little better quality, so. Okay. So I've ordered from them many times now, several times anyway. And this time was actually the fastest I've ever gotten it. I believe I ordered it Saturday and it was here yesterday, which was Tuesday. And usually during homecoming season, it takes them much longer. Here's this that I got. It's a cake topper, but I'm gonna put it in the flower of my senior mom. I had to get more white. Now this looks different, so I'm not sure. Guessing I accidentally got something different. Or maybe they changed it says Satin Supreme. I'm guessing it's the same as I always get, but I don't know. My other ones have that gold label, so. I got more white of the 9/16. I got this maroon, which, burgundy actually I think it's called, which I thought it was gonna be more of a maroon, but that's okay. And that's a 7/8. I got the navy blue in 7/8. I'm gonna make those dipped chains with this, and I'm gonna try and make some kind of graduated color type dipped other braids too. So check for those videos out later. This is a 7/8 in the white and a 9/16 in the pewter, I think they call this, or is it silver? Silver, yes. So, I believe I got a couple other things. These were, I think, like 67 cents for 3. This one says junior. This one says sophomore. This one says freshman. I didn't get one with senior because I'm doing, different stuff for that. So I just figured these for maybe the garters or something for 67 cents each. It's easier than trying to make my own. So they're iridescent. So the shipping on it was about almost $16, a little less than $16. And my total, wasn't bad, including the shipping. So, especially considering each one of the rolls are 100 yards, except this one in the 2.5 inch is 50 yards. So this is my favorite. It's heavy, and it's weighty, not like super heavy, but so I'm gonna love that in the flower. All right, and just real quick, I'm gonna show y'all the custom cutouts I made. I would love some feedback and what y'all think I need to do differently. This one's for the senior mom, so I was trying to do it in the white, silver, and I guess kind of a gray color. That's her name. And then here's homecoming. I did make one more, but I accidentally left it downstairs where my other stuff is. So now what I did was my first layer was, or the back layer was just regular cardstock. Next layer, regular cardstock. But the top layer, I put my vinyl, I put it over some cardstock, like this regular gray cardstock, and I cut it like that. That way it was stiffer, and it already had the glitter layer on there. So I didn't have to glue that. I made some mistakes. Like right here, it accidentally cut off of my page, so, well, I just pieced it in, but that's okay. All right, Thanks, y'all. Hope you're having a good day. Bye-bye.